welcome to my channel. I am Action Jacquelyn, where I help you feel amazing from the inside out. And today I am sharing my post-workout skincare routine, you guys. This has been my most favorite part of the day besides my workout because I've just turned my skincare routine into a spa experience. And I want to first thank FOREO for sponsoring this video because this is a game changer. I struggle with acne. I get cystic acne, I get bumps and pimples and whiteheads, blackheads, rosacea, redness. Honestly, anything you can think of that happens on the skin, I get it. And if I'm not careful, and then if I'm not consistent with my post-workout skincare routine, then I tend to break out. Because working out, as you know, you produce a lot of sweat, you produce a lot of oil, your pores open up. So if you're not careful about what happens right after your workout, then that can lead to breakouts. Also in this video, I'm gonna be sharing a 10-minute at-home HIIT workout that you can do anytime, anywhere. All you need is you and your bed. It is seriously so much fun and so incredibly effective. You are gonna be blown away at how sweaty you get in just 10 minutes. And if you're really looking for a challenge, you can do it twice through and make it a 20-minute workout. So let's go ahead and get started. Right, so I am so excited to share my post-workout skincare routine that I'm actually going to show it first. And then at the end of this video, you'll find your workout there. All right, so one of the reasons why I am so excited to share this is because I feel like it just gets me. You just have to feel it. It feels so smooth and so soft. They have 3 different levels. So I got the one, of course, that is for the sensitive skin because as I have mentioned before, I have very sensitive skin and I tend to break out, honestly, just from anything. And I am so excited when I finally find something that works for my skin. Now, what I really love about it is that it's made out of silicone, which means that it's not porous, which also means that it doesn't build up bacteria. That's huge. We're trying to clean our skin. We don't want to clean it with something that's dirty. So the fact that this doesn't absorb all of the dirt that it's actually taking off is genius, right? What I also love about it is that it really gets into my pores. Your fingers and your hands can only do so much when you wash your skin, right? You can't get into all the little crevices. So it's like a facial washer and massager all in one. It is amazing. It feels really good. And not only does it feel really good, but it's actually doing something scientifically for your skin. Because when it massages your skin, it's getting into the pores, but it's also allowing all of the lymphatic flow to move. And that's incredible because one of the reasons why you get puffy, why you get inflammation, why you get those bags and things like that is because it's a buildup of all the toxins and it's just all the buildup of the fluid that's sitting there. We need our lymphatic system to drain. It's like the body's sewer system. When you have something like this, you can actually stimulate the lymphatic system, which helps your skin to look glowy, to look young, and I definitely want that. I want my skin to look dewy and glowy and nice and young and tight. Okay, so immediately after your workout, go ahead and rinse your face off with just some nice cold water. That's a pro tip right there. I love using cold water because it helps to not aggravate my skin. Then we're gonna take the FOREO microfoam cleanser and we're going to dab it directly onto the FOREO Luna 3. This FOREO cleanser is amazing. I've been using it and it feels so good on my skin and it's for all skin types. It's really, really great. Also, this thing is so high tech that it actually comes with an app where you can set the intensity and you can set the time. I love this feature because I tend to cut my things short, especially with my self-care. I'm busy, I know you're busy, but this really helps keep me on track. So it allows me to go for the full 60 seconds. Honestly, it feels so good. I end up going more than 60 seconds because I love it. And I like to keep this in the shower too, because once you set it once on your phone, you can just go ahead and keep it in the shower, and you can also operate it with the app or without the app. I love that I have both options. Okay, let's get started. Oh my God, this feels so good. So good. You have to feel this. I was shocked the first time I felt this. I was like, oh my God, is this really for real? And that's why it's my daily post-workout skincare routine. So it does 15 seconds, meaning that you can dedicate 15 seconds here, 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 or you can just take it around your face however it feels good for you. What I really love about this too is that it gets into the little crevices like here on the nose, it gets here on those little ridges, and it really gets deep into your skin, really cleans everything out, and it just feels so good. So it's like this massager and cleanser all at one. It is so genius. It is amazing. It's like the best part of my day. I love it. Okay, so I left a link below so that you can try the Luna 3 by FOREO because it seriously feels amazing. Your skin is gonna love it. No more dull skin. You're gonna experience a facial detox. After you cleanse your face, then go ahead and wash it off with cold water, pat dry your face. Remember to not rub your face, especially if you're someone like me who tends to get really aggravated by that kind of rubbing. Just do a nice little pat dry it down. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the FOREO serum onto the Luna 3 and then massage the serum into my skin. I love this because first we used it to clean our skin. Now I'm using it to massage the serum into my skin. And this is, again, just so brilliant in design because it's going to massage my skin, it's going to help the serum to get into my skin, and it's going to create, again, a spa-like experience that I absolutely love. And I test everything out because I break out honestly with everything, and I usually break out really fast. So I've been using this for a little while, so I know that it's good for people with acne. I have really oily skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, like I've been saying throughout this whole video. So I made sure to test it first, of course, before sharing it because I only want to share the best. This is seriously the best little device that you could have that's going to help you have that healthy skin, that healthy glow. You could throw it in your gym bag, you can throw it in your yoga bag, and you can do it even before a workout if you're the type of person who likes to wash their face and give them that nice clean skin before a workout. Definitely an option. I prefer to do it after my workout because I like to get the hard stuff over first, which is the workout, and then I like to treat myself and take my time and really enjoy my skincare and show myself love through self-touch, through massage, through treating myself with this kind of skincare routine. So make sure that you click the link below so that you can try the Luna 3 by FOREO. Your skin is going to love it. Your skin is going to feel dewy and soft and have that nice healthy glow. All right, as promised, here is your 10-minute bed HIIT workout. It's so much fun. It is gonna be here for you to do anytime, anywhere, whenever, wherever. Let's go have some fun. This is your workout, your bedroom workout. 10-minute HIIT. HIIT means high intensity interval training. These are all of the moves. You're gonna do each move for 1 minute, no breaks between the moves, 1 to 3 rounds. In between the rounds, you can take about a 1 to 2 minute break. Not longer than that though, okay? You are gonna love it. I'm doing it here in my bedroom. It's so much fun. Let's get going. All right, that wraps up my post-workout routine and at-home HIIT workout.
And thank you to FOREO because this video was sponsored by FOREO.
I hope you loved everything. Please comment below. Let me know what you learned, what you're going to incorporate into your own skincare routine. And if there's something that you want me to review, then let's do that. Comment below, let me know, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can make more videos for you guys. All right, have a beautiful, healthy, vibrant day. Love you so much. Bye.